The ox, for whatever it is, no, you have a wonderful 2024. Kaya lang for 2025, you have to be very, very careful. But for next year, okay, the only good thing that you have is that you have this kind of protection for next year that no matter what the problems will be, hala ng people okay ka. Because you will have this kind of elegance or this kind of parang aura for next year na meron pa rin magpro-protect sa'yo, no? Unlike the sheep and the pig, wala kami masyado niyan. Pero the ox, meron naman kayong protection for next year. The only problem with the ox is that because of the yellow flag, this could possibly be a very big emotional problems, no? And it could be led by some losses in the family. So, ingat, no? If you're an ox, may posibilidad na merong mawala na very close sa family nyo and it might affect you. So, kailangan handa na kayo dyan.